What up guys? In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to correctly perform a one arm row. So, this is usually an exercise, to isolate each side of the back separately. So it's not the same as a bent over row, because you're isolating one side at a time. So let's just get into the exercise. So this is the position. So let's first start with the left side. So grab a dumbbell, and bend over. Bend over the same way like you would with a bent over row. But with the other hand, you should grab something, a surface like a chair or something sturdy, so you hold yourself into position. Basically it's kind of the same as a bent over row. The most important parts are to have a straight back, no arch, to extend all the way out and go all the way up, really tensing up the lats and the back. That's basically it. It's nothing super complicated. This is from the other side now, the right side. Bam, you see? Extend all the way down to stretch those lats and go back up. So this is a one arm row basically. It's a great exercise. It's great to switch it up from time to time because muscle imbalances can happen also in the back and the lats. So it's good from time to time to do one arm rows so you can focus on each side separately. And the primary muscle is basically the lat. So when you're pulling up, don't just move your arm up and down. Really pull with your lats. Don't just go with your arm up, but really try to pull with your leg, with your lats and with your back. You have to pull. That's why it's a row, because you're not lifting up the weight, you're rowing the weight. It's a row. You see, just like this. Now it's kind of awkward, the position is kind of awkward. You can do it over a bench, you can do it over a chair just like I did, or you can do it over these bars. It works better with these. It doesn't actually matter, just the most important tips. It doesn't matter how you do it. The most important tip is that you're bent over so that your back is still straight, no arch, bent knees, and that you go the full range of motion all the way extending, so you flex the lats and then tensing it up, squeezing the back at the top of the movement. That's the most important part. Everything else is just an addition. So as you can see, this is how a one arm row should look like. Now I'm gonna show you from the other side. It's not that complicated. First time you do it, it's maybe gonna be a little bit awkward. The position is kind of weird, but no doubt it's a great exercise. It's great to isolate one side of the back at a time. And when you're going up, guys, when you're on the way down, starting position, inhale, squeeze your core like this. Inhale when you're going up, bam, a second pause at the top, then go down slowly and exhale. That's how you do it.